we're at Epcot today, I don't know, in Guardians, so this is just in the queue line, so it's really cool.
Xandar's urban core is home to some of our most unique residences. Many Xandarians prefer living high above the city with dramatic panoramic views. Others choose our underwater homes with spectacular vistas of our aquatic world.
What's up, gang? We just got off touring. They're going to the toilets. We need to wait somewhere. I'm so lonesome I could die. Very cute. Oh look, there's one over there. It's the show next to Living with the Land I saw in. So I forgot that at the end part. Hey girls, I mean, hey gang.
I got some truffle chips with some cheese on top, and they are delicious. I would rate them like a 7 out of 10. I've had the very good. I really like it.
Say, what temperature is it? Oh, should we check?